Okay, guys. Okay, so you can see we missed this wonderful trade because of connection issue. If you remember, before I ended the connection, you heard me saying clearly that we are going to actually get in. That we're going to actually get in. The moment this 4 hours closes. But it seems instead of us getting in, we actually faced some technical issues. Now look at where trade is. We are very far away. We can possibly join now because it's already making some perfect move right there. And initially, I expected price to hit at least 67 pips before moving down, right? But then it seems we missed the opportunity already. Not sure how we can recover from this quagmire. But then, good thing is that we didn't lose nothing. We didn't get in, so it's not a case of getting in and not able to get out. This is just a case of not getting in entirely. So let's see how this works out. Let's see how it works out. Man, this is not acceptable. This is entirely not acceptable, man. Not acceptable. Okay, guys. This is just what I saw today. I'm not sure. This is 4 hours, so I'm not even sure we're gonna get another opportunity again because the market is pretty much very bullish. Sorry, very bearish. The only opportunity we have at this market today, it just snapped through. So it's just some sort of bullshit. Network messed us up today. Just look at Euro USD as well. We missed everything. We completely missed everything. And it's not really funny. It's insane. But then we have hopes. Let's focus on NAS for now because all right, that is the grandfather of moves, right? So let's focus on NAS and see what NAS has in stock for us, right? So let's see. Please do let me know in case you're facing similar issues before, just like before, so that I'll troubleshoot again. This is just getting on network is getting on my nerves. Not network. I'm not. Am I sure it's network? I don't know what's going on because I upgraded my network to 500 Mbps. And no. Okay, guys. Look at we've done the analysis already. This is our breakout point, and after the breakout point, we had this is actually the perfect time to have gone into the trade was at this time after this breakout, right? Then this candle that actually went up, you know, and flipped. That flip should have been our entry, okay? And it should have lasted until somewhere around 120, 126.74. But it's unfortunate we missed that entry. And that entry is in accordance actually with is in line with our, what is it called? Quickly open the history and open that. My playbook, week. Yes, that is it right there. I called it Wakefield. Okay. This should have been what is playing out since the last 4 hours. Oh man, this is so heartbreaking, man. It's unfortunate that we couldn't get into this trade. Really, it feels so bad. Even here, we have my setup here. My favorite setup occurred here. I would have just taken trade and straightforward got to my 56 pips. This is my this actually played. It's not exactly the same thing, but this is actually what played out right here, right? See? So I've just gotten in at the breakout, which is somewhere here, and then for price to continue moving until 1170. but we missed it completely. So now what we're gonna do is to wait for NYSE open. Let's see if actually we can get lucky to get some setup. If we're able to get some setup, then we can maximize that setup. Okay, just be patient, everyone. Just be patient, be patient, be patient, so that we can work on this together. Okay, be patient, be patient. So I'm just gonna type this for everyone's comprehension. Plan, we, and execute. Okay. So our plan right now is to wait for a formation like this, a wick fill, a candle that's going to close most likely 30 minutes, 1 hour, or of course 4 hours, not daily. We cannot wait for until 4 hours here because this is live streaming, right? So we can only wait for 30 minutes or 1 hour. So most likely we're waiting for 1 hour to close, or 30 minutes to close, and give us a week like this, which actually happened here, right? It happened here. Well, 30 minutes close and it gave us a week. The same thing, 1 hour, the same thing with 4 hours, right? This would have been a perfect place to execute a trade. But unfortunately, my network, I don't know whether it's network or tech device issue, I don't know. Fortunately, we should have been on a ride to capture 130 pips or 138 pips. But then, guys, no regrets. If we miss it today, no need to hit ourselves too hard. We're gonna get it tomorrow if we miss it today, okay? And I'm not happy. Really? I'm not happy, guys. I'm not happy. I'm not happy. I'm not happy, guys. This is my move moving out, man. Moving out of range. I'm not happy. Damn. 16 minutes to NYSE open. Let's see how else is gonna happen there. The moment we have NYSE open, let's see what happens. Price is moving pretty much very fast, very hard. Damn, damn. Guys, do not get overexcited by what I'm doing. It's nothing like technically, it's nothing. Seriously, it's nothing. So I'm just hitting myself so hard for not detecting the network issues I was gonna face today. So this may actually come as low as 1170. This may come as low as 1170. So the only opportunity we have at this, even 15 minutes is not giving us opportunity to get in, right? Because looking at this, 15 minutes already formed my setup here. Formed something similar to my setup. Not exactly, but I know this is my setup, right? Getting in here. Look at where it would have gotten us 57 pips. And for NAS, where is it? NAS, I think, formed the same thing. Let's see. Oh, NAS didn't form it. NAS was just moving straight forward and giving us weak fill to execute, but then we missed. Okay, just hang on in there, guys. Let's wait. Our plan is to have at least, the next 30 minutes, 30 minutes candle close with the wick. If it closes with wick, we're just going to wait to see if we can execute a trade that's going to land us 57 pips at least on NAS. And I don't know, there's nothing to write home about Euro USD. Technically nothing, because whenever this guy is moving, it just moves on its own, moves independently. Quite a shame. Yeah, this move was actually influenced by this news. Yeah, you can see clearly here this core PC price index. So it's good for US, right? So because it's good for US, Euro USD, dollar is leading the way. See the way dollar is leading the way. But I just have a good feeling, that this is all going to be corrected. I just have a good feeling about that because I've never seen a news outcome that is not corrected, right? This is going to be corrected to some extent, at least to this level before price continues moving down. That is, if it is time to move down. If it's not time to move down, it's definitely going to just push up and continue moving up. So let's see. Come on, man. This would have been a perfect place. I think I got a position from this level to this level, from 24 to 29, and I got out. And I knew from morning that this, having seen this level, was going to see this level is not the last level, by the way. It's going to come up to price is going to drop up to 10 12. I'm sure it's going to drop up to at least 10 12. Let's see how this turns out. Let's see. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, price is going to drop up to 10 12. It's just starting to drop, but then you can't just jump in because it has moved a lot. You just have to wait, right? You just have to wait a little bit. Wow, someone is on time here. Congrats to you. Congrats to you. Knowledge Builders was on time on this today. I mean, deep prof. Wow. Wow. I'm really excited for you. No, KB, I'm excited for you. As long as you're using this playbook, you're always going to profit. As long as you're using this playbook, you're always going to be in good profit, right? So I wish you all the best. Just make sure you follow this and make sure you follow all the requirements. Read to understand, okay? You read to understand how this works, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna be excited, okay? So guys, again, let me know if you're actually facing network issues so that I can look at my network again. Now that we are waiting for NYSE open, where we can have more volume on NAS. The volume is there already because of the news, so we are expecting more volume. Okay. Okay, now I don't think I spelled my execute correct, and nobody called my attention. Guys, why am I alone in this journey? I thought I have good friends following me here, right? Okay, okay. So try as much as possible to join. If you want this, for those of us who joined from Tradingview, if you want a copy of this, please join me. Just join my Telegram group and just request for it. It will be shared with you. Okay, it's free. I'm not charging anything for this. This is a lot. Took me a lot of time of research and testing, but I'm gonna give it out for free. Okay, it's free for anyone that wants it. Okay. All you need to do is just to make sure you are on the Telegram group, and that's it. That's all you need. Okay. So I'm gonna post the name of my Telegram group, the same name with my name on TradingView. Still PPP Drahams right here. So that's it. I just posted the name. Just search for this name on Telegram. You can join my group via there. The same name as well on YouTube, on all other social media platforms. I'm just going by this only name, only this name all through. Okay, guys, just imagine, seeing that this candle has broken the law of the previous candles, and then it has technically broken out of this support right here, you know uh and it closed bearish as well. And seeing the it closed, the body it actually closed within this week. It tells us a lot of things, right? Tells us the price actually is going to continue moving down. So, if I were in this trade, I wasn't around anyway. I just came into the house now before I started streaming. If I were around and I saw this, all I'm going to do is just wait for a pop. Once I get this pop, I'm going to get in, open a sell stop somewhere below the open. And once it gets hit, I use the previous 1 hour as my stop loss, and of course, draw my take profit up to 93 pips. That is it. If you got in, if you took this, if you are following me on Telegram and you got this trade, I just have one thing to tell you. Very big congratulations, because it's not easy to cash it, right? It takes a lot of courage for you to be able to, for you to be able to trust yourself and take the trade, right? So we have 8 minutes to NYSE open. Look at this guy. This guy just right before me. This candle all moves down. I didn't catch anything. Don't know. Am I a teacher or am I? Technically, I don't have any. Yeah, I think I made some profits in the morning. So, guys, I made profit from this trade. Let me show you. I made profits. I eventually made profit from this trade. For those of us that actually joined, congrats. So, look at the trade. We took this trade in 1 hour time frame. Okay. So this is what happened. I streamed it online on Telegram and YouTube at the same time. So I called a trade here. I saw this, and the next thing I was supposed to do. No, 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 no. Sorry, guys. It wasn't here. It was here. This candle closed bullish after testing this level and closing. Forming this week, it closed bullish. So what I did was, I when this candle opened, it was moving down. Then I set my buy stop above this level, right? The moment I set it, price came down all the way here, even crossing our anticipated stop loss zone, and then later reversed and hit our entry. We got in. This price went all the way up and then later closed bearish. The moment this guy opened, I just closed some. When it was moving down, by the way, it was so tensed, so I have to close about 50% of my positions, and left others. Then when the new candle opened, I just let it move up a little bit. Then I closed. I think I closed more 25%, and I let 25% run to hit profits here. This was our initial take profit, but seeing that the volume has diminished after London Open, I moved down our take profit to this level, which is 134.36, right? So my take profit got hit, like hit. So those profits, those trades I closed and lost, I made them back. Like technically, I made them back, because you can't closing 50% somewhere at this level, you can't compare it. Then closing. So I made them back, and then I made extra profits. So trust me. So that is called trade management, right? So if you took this trade with me during London Open, congrats to you. Big one. Big congrats to you. So back to the topic, the subject matter. NAS and Euro USD. Okay. I think NAS is giving us a good opportunity, but then the question I have is, if this guy closes above here, I think this is not a healthy candle to trade. It's not really is not a healthy candle to trade. But what we could do is just to wait. Let's see. Let's wait for this 30 minutes and see what New York Open, New York Stock Exchange Open is going to do. By the way, guys, I've come to notice this. I'm going to add this setup to my playbook very soon. It rarely happens, but if it happens, it triggers a very big move. Can you let me reduce this? I don't know why this guy is so big headed. Okay, I believe you can see what I'm talking about now. This guy, I don't know. Sure, what do I call it? Do I call it doji? I think it's called dragonfly, maybe. It's called dragonfly, maybe. This, can you see? If the candle closes like this, it definitely must break out. And once it breaks out, kalas, finish. It must push so much. I've noticed it. If Let me show you this candle again. Just let me show you. I have these photographic memories with candles. Let me show you this candle again. Look at this candle again. Can you see? I can remember everywhere I've seen this candle in a couple of days. Look at this candle. This is Euro USD daily. You can see what happened there. Price first of all moved up and then broke below there. That's dragonfly. See, putting your stop loss as 50 pips, and just leaving your trade open. Leave it open, because when it occurs, it always moves. Leave it open. You make your 500 pips. I think it's up. It's not up to 500, 450. But then if I want this trade, I'm going to close about 50% at this level after the second day, right? Then at the third day, I'm going to move the 50%, the stop loss, to this level, to above here, above this level, right? Then if I get all this, the moment I have this, it shows that something is about to happen. I'm just going to go ahead and close everything. So we have 3 minutes to NYC open. The question is, what's going to happen now? For Euro USD, I feel Euro USD is actually coming to fill up this week, to fill up this yesterday's week, right? So let's see whether it's going to come through or not. Okay, let's move to 30 minutes and see what 30 minutes gives us. Okay, and then looking at this is a very strong level on its own. So opening a position here is so risky, guys. I don't think I'm going to trade Euro USD no matter what happens. If it pushes, it's okay. I'm aligned. And then for NAS, looking at daily time frame, NAS looks like it's going to push back and turn up. Really, guys, I'm serious. NAS looks like it's going to turn up and move all the way. Like, it seems like NAS is going to go mad, go base up today. It's going to go insane today. I don't know. But that's what I feel is going to happen. If it doesn't happen, it's okay. I mean, I'm not a market maker after all. I'm just a retail trader who trades based on price actions, right? Looks like NAS is going to jump up. I don't know. Let's see. It's a tough day here because all the moves has finished. Nothing technically, nothing left for us to take. Everything is done. Guys, just FYI, I'm not going to push for trades. I'm not going to force trades today. Okay? I'm not going to force trades today. So what I'm doing today is just being a professional. If I see setup, I'm going to take it. If I don't see, bye bye. Okay. I'm sorry there's no music to pacify your soul and stuff like that. I'm streaming from Tradingview. I'm streaming on Tradingview, and I'm trying and I'm rerouting it from Tradingview to YouTube. It's like my streaming softwares are going insane. So that's technically what's happening. In the next 15 seconds, we're gonna get to NYSE Open. Guys, congrats for making it to NYSE Open. That's all I could say. Guys, it's time. Volume time. Volume time. Okay, if this pops back, if it flips, guys. Oh shit, that was fast. God damn it, man. Guys, I'm in. I just got in, guys. Okay. Fortunately, I was about to hit sell. Bloody chicken. Okay, guys, the point I was still saying, guys, the point, and it has started moving. Okay, guys, that's your entry right there. If you have entered, congrats. This is where I wanted to be the entry. I don't know whether it's gonna work out or not, but this is the entry, and I want us to catch this very fast and move out. Okay, I want us to catch this very fast and move the hell out. I don't want us to waste time here. This is dangerous times. Let's use 41 pips and target about maybe let's target about 45 pips, because I don't trust this the way it's moving. NYSE open. I just don't want it to hit our stop loss. Let's see. I would have opted for this level, but it's too small. No, considering the stop loss. Let me push it down. It's okay. You can actually manage risk along the way. So, could you please go down, sir? Could you please respect our setup and just push down? Come on, don't go up again. Just push down. Okay, push down, push down. My Indian accent is very poor. Push down, push down, push down now. Okay, 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 guys. What's it gonna be? What is it gonna be, guys? What is it gonna be? What is it gonna be? Okay, the stop loss is this, and entry was this. Closing 50% at this level, and closing 100% at this level. Let's see how price is gonna treat us. Come on, move down. Hit my first TP. I don't know what you're waiting for, man. Hit my first TP. Make me a happy man today. Just assume that I'm not the person, okay? Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. See the issue I have with NYC open? The issue I have with these guys, once NYSE opens, price becomes very volatile and unstable, right? All this while you can see that these were actually very stable. It wasn't just pushing up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Look at what's going on here. You know, this is what I don't like. Think I am gonna find a way to change my trading time to London Open, because that is just the only thing I can actually do, and I'm gonna change my pay to German index because that's the only indices that actually makes sense to trade at that time because of the volume and everything. Guys, I have faith that this is gonna push down. I have big faith that it's gonna push down. And now you may ask why I got into this trade. Let me show you guys. This candle. Okay, let me not talk too much. Let me just close my partials. Guys, also at this point, oh shit, it's going up again. Can you wait for a second? No, no, it's not up to no. My partials is at this level. Let's wait for price to get up to come to us, please. Let's not force it, okay? Let's not push it too much. So this is a candle that closed with wick, right? So the next candle for okay, guys, move your stop loss to break even and please close out 50% of your positions, okay? Move your stop loss to break even and close at 50%. So this trade as it stands now is riskless. We are not risking anything on this trade. As a matter of fact, we made some money already. Okay. We've made some money on this trade. It's pretty awesome, guys. Okay. So this is it. This is it, guys. This is it. This is what I'm talking about. This is just what I'm talking about, right? So at this point in time, I'm just going to close everything. I'm just going to assume and close everything. Okay. Assume that's at 9 pips is enough for one day. I am not that guy that waits for 100 pips anymore, guys. I learned the hard way, okay? I learned from my master. Nice. I've closed my position. So today we have profits today. We made profits today. If you think we didn't make profit today, try trading solo and see what happens. So I made a total of how many? 38 pips. Guys, big congrats, big kudos to everyone. So let's journal our trade because this is the most important one. Trading is not the issue, but journaling your trade. It makes you, not want to take more because if you discipline yourself enough to journal your trades, then it makes you not to do is not to take random trades because you don't want to see these losses, right? You don't want to see this L. So by the way, I close at this average, right? I closed my trade at 5. The first one I told you guys at 3. Second one actually went all the way to how many pips? Let's see. I don't want to lie here. Take a look at this. Second trade lasted until this was our entry right here. Lasted until 73. Okay, 70 pips. Let's say 70 pips. Okay. Let's be sincere. So 70, this is actually 70 pips. I got it. I caught it. So it's not a lie. So why is it important for you to journal your trades? It is important for you to journal your trades because one, you get to have visibility of what you're doing right and what you're doing wrong, right? So you see, I have every single link of where I took all the trades, right? And then you can see the time I've taken the trade. If I want to review this, perhaps during the weekend, I'm just going to go to my, my YouTube and take it back and see what I have done and what I could have done better, right? So that is the essence of doing this. And then journaling trades, looking at the time it takes you to input all this. You don't want to take 20 trades a day because you're going to spend most of the time inputting this. So you just want to take a short trade and get the hell out of market, right? So that is the essence of having journal, right? Though that's not the main reason of having journal, guys. Don't get me don't get me wrong, please. But that's the way I see it, though. Okay, we got in at what level? Let's see. When did we get in? Nice, nice. This is when we got in. Pause. Let's see. 34 minus 7. That's somewhere around 27, right? So this is 0, 0, 27, and what? Yeah, let's call it maybe 15. Okay. So today's date is this, right? So what pair? NAS. What did we do? We went short. Which strategy did we use? Weak fill. What's the name of the weak fill you use? BS. Which time frame did we take the trade? 30 minutes, if you remember. Whoa, guys, just imagine we didn't close out. Just imagine, guys, that we did not close out. Did you see this? Imagine that we, for instance, did not close out. By now, oh my God, oh my God, I lost everything. I lost No, guys, this is awesome, guys. I love this. When I win like this, guys, I'm pretty much very happy, okay? No regrets, no regrets, no regrets, no regrets. Trace taken. So let's complete our journal and get the hell out. So full risk, first closing. I closed first at what 30 pips, right? Let me confirm from my. Oh, I didn't close partials. Are you kidding me? I was about to. Didn't I? 30 pips, right? Wow, I didn't close partials. That's insane, man. Okay, so I didn't close partials personally, so I'm not going to lie about nothing so that I can be able to track my trades properly. Then I closed at 38 pips. So, there's a condition here. J, okay. So partial 0. Okay. Partials, I'm supposed to close 30, right? 38. I didn't close any, so let's leave it at 1. Makes sense, yeah. So this is a win, and so far so good. The guys, just check out what price is doing. Just check, just look out, watch out for what price is doing. So what if we did not close the trade, guys? Can I get some wins here, guys? Can I just type, if you are in this stream on Tradingview or YouTube, just go ahead and type W, man. It's gonna give me joy to have this happen, right? Go ahead and type W, guys. It's awesome, right? It's pretty much very awesome, you know. Type W for me, guys. Please type it, type it, type it. Those watching on stream on YouTube and those watching on TradingView, it makes sense, right? So today is a success because today is not gone. On to the next one. Let's wait for a little while to see if we can catch another trade. I just wish Euro USD can stop being childish and move. Just not giving an opportunity. See? No top week, no top week, no top week. So how are we supposed to muster the courage to enter, right? because studies have shown that candles without topic normally doesn't normally reverses. I'm not sure. So can I get some confirmation? Excuse me. Can I get some confirmation from the guys on TradingView, please? Just one person. Can you confirm? Is the sound okay? Is the video quality okay? Please, one person. Can you confirm, please? Help me confirm. One person. Is the sound quality okay? Is the video quality okay? Is it okay? And one person from YouTube. Can you guys still hear me? Because I can see. Yes. Oh, Lisa, thank you for commenting. It's a win for you. And this money, it's yours now. Nobody can ever take it back. Nobody's ever going to take it back. Guys, look at NAS. Look at NAS. NAS has gone bananas. NAS is officially insane, guys. Can you see this? Whoa. Whoa. But then 4 hours is still pretty much very active. But daily, guys, remember when I started this streaming, what did I tell you? I said daily candle is gonna move today, like insane. It's gonna go insane today, guys. Daily candle is gonna go insane today. Believe me when I say I just have a feeling it's gonna happen. I've not seen this happen anywhere, but I just have a feeling because I think I've seen it happen in 30 minutes or 1 hour. Yen GBP JPY, that's pound yen. I've seen this kind of setup in pound yen in 30 minutes or 1 hour thereabouts. The next thing I saw was some sort of crazy move, unbelievable move, you know, until the next resistance, right? So I think this is going to be today. Let's wait a little bit to see if we can get a buy position or perhaps sell positions may continue. So, humanly interpreting this, what just happened, I could actually interpret this as this candle trying to give wick to this candle, to this candle, and to these two candles, right? So it may come all the way up to this level to find resistance around here. This area is going to resist the price, and then price may turn back down, right? So let's see if we can get one of our setups in maybe this setup. I mean, forces. Let's see if we're going to get forces set up on 15 minutes time frame. Then we take one more trade and call it a day. Congrats to everyone that took the trade. It was pretty much very nice. So this is the way you should be trading, guys. Just take it and get the hell out. See, NAS is not giving us opportunity. Excuse me. NAS is not giving us opportunity to get in. It created a week without any signs or something. It just go and fill the week. This is not good, guys. What do you think? What should we do to NAS to stop this? So, like I said, price may get to this level and mash out down. I don't know. So let me know if you're actually are having issues. I have a feeling because we are normally bigger than 5, right, guys? On YouTube, we're normally bigger than this, unfortunately. But then I don't know what's going on. Today, we are up to 20 something daily. Today, we have only 5. Something is wrong, I know. So if someone can please let me know if everything is okay from their end, I'm going to really appreciate. I'm going to appreciate so much, guys. I'm not sure how I can add music to this streaming because let's see what happens after this, because it seems to me that price has found some sort of support around here around 121 127.45 and the 12700 area. So it seems price will push all the way up. I don't know, maybe it will find support around here again and keep pushing down. Depends on what it wants. Okay. Euro USD is pissing me off. I don't know about you. Is Euro USD pissing about everybody? And oh my god, save my soul. What is going on with oh 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 guys? See what I'm talking about? This is gonna happen on NAS. This long candle. German index is gonna target somewhere around 135.53, right? That's where it's gonna this move is gonna end before the next consolidation starts. This move is gonna end at 135.50. Unfortunately, I used a very smaller take profits and I wasn't paying attention. Any day I'm not paying attention now, German index is just gonna surprise me. If I was paying attention, perhaps I'd have gotten into a trade around here because I have a week here that is what 23 pips, right? Take a trade around here, close partials at 23 pips for the rest to continue to run. But it's okay, it's okay. Nothing. We got a trade already, so there's nothing too difficult, you know. Can actually make it up, you know. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. I think price is gonna continue moving up, guys. It's gonna continue moving up. What I want now, what I want to see before I get into position is this, because what did I say here? This is what I'm looking out for, and I'm looking at rule number AIII. Okay, breakout of range or consolidation formed after corrective wave or retracement. Okay, let's go and analyze. So this is a wave, right? This is some sort of corrective wave, as I'm assuming, right? So if this is a corrective wave, which is actually we are seeing signs of breakout here, right? So this has formed after corrective wave, right? So this is going to be a breakout, right? So if this is it, then we need to see perhaps see this guy come down a little bit. This candle, let me zoom in so you guys can get in. I need to see this candle come down a little bit to give this guy weak, and then it's going to go up and close below here, or maybe slightly above, perhaps. Okay. Then after this, the next thing I want to see is for the next 15 minutes to form somewhere here, come down all the way here, one giving this guy a weak and touching this other block here, and then pushing up. So the entry point is going to be the break of this level. That is only if and only if this candle closes below here. If this particular current 15 minutes pushes above, then every single plan I have here is invalidated. Okay. So let's see how this works out. Most important thing today is that we got a good trade today, and pretty much everyone that is actually listening to us must have caught this trade with us. Okay, and I have nothing to tell you but big congrats to you for catching this move. You know, it makes sense. So let's see. I'm just begging this price bar not to cross above this area. Once it doesn't cross above this area, then it remains my best friend. Oh, look at, oh, this is still, I thought it's Euro USD. I got excited for nothing, guys. This is nothing but insane. For those of us that have been following me for a while now, there's something I'm going to show you, something I suspect that is going to happen here, right here. Something that's going to happen here. I gotta show you. Let's go to yesterday. Something happened yesterday. Where is it? Ouch, I can't find it. Perhaps not in NAS. Did he have? Okay. Oh, it's actually here. Yeah, 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 yeah. So look at this. Look at what I think is gonna happen here. Something like this is gonna happen here, whereby this guy closes bullish, sorry, bearish, and then the next candle just comes up a little bit. I mean, comes down a little bit and then pushes up. Why is this happening? Because all this move was news influenced. If you remember what I said, all of them, all these candles were influenced by this news release that is positive for US, right? So because US news influenced this, all this move they need to be corrected. Okay. So that is why you need to watch out for signs of reversal. Okay. But then what I cannot tell you guys is whether price is going to reverse here or here. I don't know. Okay. So that's why you need to look for signs. Don't just jump in and waste your money. Okay. You made money today, it is your money. Nobody's gonna ever take that money away from you unless you decide on your own to give it back to market. Okay. Now, one more thing here. The next candle that forms is not wise. I'm telling you guys, it's not wise. If the next candle forms and breaks below here, if you want to take a trade, it's okay. But if you take a trade, make sure you close that trade somewhere here or close partial somewhere at this level and close full somewhere at this level. Okay. Or at this level, if price gets to this level, move your stop loss to break even, because if the candle reverses, if the candle that comes down here reverses, you're not going to see that candle again. You're just going to be looking for the candle. The next thing you're going to see it somewhere above here. Okay. That's just a warning because it may happen the way I see. I've seen this set up a lot of times. You will see it without a bottom wick. You are going to think the next candle is going to just push below and move. It's a lie. You just get that liquidity and trap you and just push up. So what I'm saying is be careful, guys. Be careful. That's all. That's all. That's all. That's all. Nothing else. Nothing else. So, like I told my team yesterday, if this candle does not close, if it does not, if it closes at this level, right where it is now, it's a good thing for us because the break of the low, price will continue going down, which is what somewhere something like this my candle, right? In as much as it's actually formed in a already moving market, not at reversal point, but then the break of its low, price is going to continue moving down. Okay, the break of its high, price is going to go back to retest to correct all this news panic from news. Okay, that's what I think, and I'm a human being. I may be wrong, so don't think it's gonna happen the way I said it. Okay, in as much as it always happens. By the way, it always happens. But nice. Let me show you now what Euro USD is about to do. It's about to trap you, guys. No, what NAS is about to do here. NAS is about to trap you. NAS is about to trap people. See? Can you see, guys? This is weak, and this is the next 15 minutes. The other 15 minutes, exactly what I said that is going to happen here. It pulled back, trapping people. People took trades here, believe me, putting stop loss here, trapping people, and then suddenly it jumped up, right? So if this is going to happen, right, this is the next candle that is going to form. This is what I expect it to do. So that is why we need to be very careful. We need to be very careful. This is it. Yeah, in as much as this has broken above the high of the previous candle, but this is what I expect to happen because it definitely needs to happen. It needs to happen. Why does it need to happen? Because this guy does not have a bottom week, so it needs to get a something needs to give it a week. Something needs to happen for it to get a week. Let's see, guys. Let me wait for additional 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, if I get a good trade, hooray, hooray. If I don't get a good trade, hooray. Hooray. Hooray, we end the stream, okay? Let's see. My YouTube is definitely having issues, I'm sure. Oh, all my YouTube guys left. Oh my god, I feel like crying. Who is still there with me on YouTube? I feel like crying. Okay. So guys, if you want to have get access to my what is it called? Google Docs, to my playbook, please join my Telegram group. I'm gonna give you complete access, okay? Join my Telegram group. I'm gonna give you complete access. 2 minutes to the end of 1 hour bar. The question is, what's gonna happen after 1 hour? I would have actually, opted for price to move down. I would have opted for price to move down, guys. But then looking at the fact that, the price, this bar does not have an upper wick, it's too risky. It's too risky, man. But I've loved to get a price movement to the upside. Then it's going to flip and give us something, to fill the wick. We take our partials here and move our entry to break even for price to continue moving down. Take our profit here. That's it. That's going to be the plan. Do not forget, my markings here says sell below, right? Setting this as the 50% closure, which actually you can see perfectly where this is actually a 50% closure, because at that closure, the reason I see it closure is because at that level price is supposed to retest the upper bounce, right? So it makes sense if you close 50% to secure some profits at least. Then after some time, then you can, price whenever it recovers from the correction, then it moves down, to close the position. Otherwise it's gonna uselessly hit your BE. Okay, we are in. I didn't say I got in, guys. I didn't get in. I am not a madman. I don't get in like madman. By in, I mean 1 hour is in. Okay. Telegram channel, my dear, just type PPP Drahams. I'm not sure I'm allowed to paste any link here because, it's insane. These guys are so strict. Tradingview, they locked me out a lot of times and I'm scared of getting locked out. I had to wait for streaming access for more than. I waited for. Oh, moderated. See, I sent it and it was removed, guys. Sorry. Just type PPP Drahams. PPP Drahams on Telegram. Okay, I just sent you the link now, and it was moderated. It was removed automatically. I hope they're not going to ban my account. Quality is perfect. Whoa! So the quality is good. I see. Nice. I didn't really know that the quality is that good. Just that you guys are missing the background music, right? There's something I'm fixing. I'm trying to just click my streaming software, and it's going to broadcast to TradingView, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok at the same time. So that's something I'm working on now. If I can get it working, then I'm going to be streaming at the same time on all platforms. And this is where it becomes fun because you are talking, saying one thing, and 100 platforms are taking what you're saying. Guys, did you see what I told you guys? But then what is missing in this setup right now is a week that has been given to this guy. But I'm going to attempt entry above. I'm going to attempt entry above here. Okay. Just attempt. Okay, I didn't say full. So attempting M3 means I'm actually using my quarter, quarter risk. I'm gonna attempt entry above here. Where is my platform? Oh, this looks very beautiful, guys. So beautiful. No, so beautiful. Okay. So if you break above, please give me something. Okay, guys. Yes, guys, Please don't come back. No, don't come back, guys. This is a risky trade. This is it's a risky one. It's a risky one. You just be careful, okay? Be careful. Don't risk a lot of money, please. I'm begging you. Don't risk a lot of money, okay? No, we actually missed out. I was in 15 minutes. If I had seen this, I swear to God, I would have gotten into the trade long time ago. See this? If I had seen this big money, man, this is 30 pips. I'd have closed trade. Shit, man. I would have closed this position, man. This is stupid. Why do I always lose trades, man? Not lose, miss opportunities. Come on, man. In 30 minutes, it's better in 1 hour. It looks better in 1 hour. Yeah, I like this. I like this very long week that I got. Right? Damn. So you can see everything that the news cost here is been corrected. Every single thing, it has been corrected on NAS. So what is pending now is Euro USD. We don't know what Euro USD is about to do. Still very stuck, doing nothing. Absolutely nothing, guys. Nothing. It's doing nothing. Wasting our time. What do you think? Euro USD is like a baby wasting our time. So guys, you can see this setup here. This bullish force, you can see bullish force forming here in Euro USD. But then I'm not confident about this bullish force really. But I don't want to assume anything I don't know. But let me just take a trade above here. I'm going to close my NAS position very soon. If it goes into profit, I'm going to take it. I'm going to close it. I prefer to ride with Euro USD up. But on what basis? Yeah. On the basis that I have, because I always look for justification, right? On the basis that I have this noise here, this support here. So price needs to go back because it has hit a support level where it can no longer go. So it needs to do what? Boom, push back. So on that basis, I'm just gonna wait for this is 15 minutes, right? It's just gonna be a very small trade, guys. I'm targeting only 10 pips, just 10 pips, and I'm done. 10 pips, and I'm gone. But the ideal entry would have been somewhere here, guys. Let's just make it clear, okay? If you want to stick to my strategy, this bullish force, the ideal entry. Okay, I think. Okay. I think this guy is he doing pretty fine? Let's see. Yeah, I'm in profit in NAS and Euro USD. The perfect place to have gotten in is at this level, right? This level would have been our in level, right? Look at the setup. Properly look at this setup. One, two, three. The third candle crossed above, the high, the most recent high. Look at this. One, two, three, right? The third candle crossed above the most recent high. It doesn't matter how it is. Okay, look at sales, the bearish force. One, two, three. The third candle crossed below the most recent low. Not the most recent low though, but then how do I do? Is this the most recent low? I don't know. It could be. Yeah, it should be. So you can see that is something I think is getting replicated around here. So my Euro USD trade is triggered. Let's see if it's going to continue or is going to trap me. Okay, let's see. Guys, do not forget, this is actually not a recommended trade. Okay, it's not recommended. Come on, why is this stopping? Push up. Come on, we want to make profit. Why are you wasting our time? Can't you see the serious people are online? It's a problem. Man, I have a very important question. Do I talk too much? It seems I talk too much because I was busy talking and this formed perfect entry. I would have closed this position right long time ago and recorded it as profits and for profited and forgotten, Guys, do not forget something very, very important in this trade, okay? First things to remember is that we're supposed to have gotten in from this level. So if you still want to get in at this level, it's still okay. I think I'm gonna open one more. I don't care. I don't care whatever happens. I'm gonna open one more position here. If he wants to go bananas, is okay. Yes, one more. Nice. I feel good now. If I lose it, I feel good as well because it should be a strategy. So and we have this, right? The only thing that's gonna make me close my positions is unless this low is broken. So what I'm gonna do, so for the fact that I opened the position here, I'm just gonna leave this our entry to be the hell to be somewhere here, 1 hour candle. So below 1 hour candle, if price moves below here, we're just 16 pips, right? Price moves below here, we're good. Close it. The reason why I'm going against this one, I know there is actually a wick here. You can see this long wick. Perhaps, maybe in our own terms, this is actually trying to fill this wick. I know it's possible, but then on the other way around, we have hit a major support here. So price is supposed to reverse. If it doesn't reverse, it's okay. Let it hit the stop loss. It's fine. Okay. And take profit is actually we're just gonna leave take profit at this level to see whether it's gonna work out or not. But this trade is not recommended, guys. I'm just taking this trade at my own risk. Okay. It's not recommended, please. It's not recommended. You can see we're going against a heavy trend and it's insane. And one of the reasons why I'm actually having the mind to go against this is because 4 hours candle yet does not have an upper wick, so it makes sense that it goes back to acquire some upper wick. And thirdly, the reason why I'm getting in as well is because I feel daily time frame may reverse because it has not broken the low of previous days. So there are chances that it's going to reverse to continue going up. So, but then if it doesn't work out, it's okay. I mean, it's good to explore options. It's good to explore a lot of options. Oh, come on, NAS. What is NAS doing? NAS is putting tears on my eyes. Think I need to close one of these positions, either NAS or Euro USD. Both of them cannot be on. Both of them cannot. What is our entry? Can anyone remember? What was our entry? I think somewhere here. Yes, that's it. Somewhere here. It's very bad that I cannot remember the entry because I didn't mark it. I was distracted. Daily. Oh, guys, I'm not closing NAS. NAS has a very high potential, guy. I'm not closing NAS. NAS is going to remain, rather, I'm going to leave both of them open. Whatever happens, let it happen. Okay. Not closing NAS. Not in this life. Never. Previous 1 hour. My previous 1 hour is somewhere here. Guys, don't try this. Don't ever. So 122 pips. My stupid, no way, man. Not possible. If price goes below this 30 minutes, it means we're done. Okay. So it's actually approximately It's actually approximately 48 pips. So if price goes below it, that's it. That's the end of the trade. You don't need to negotiate with nothing. It's not negotiable. We're not closing it. It's just going to be open. Then we manage the trade accordingly. Okay. It's a very small stop loss compared to the target. The target is very far and so much achievable. Euro USD is wasting time, but I have good faith. I have very good faith. Looking at 15 minutes, the setup there is indirectly the setup. It's just, somehow this setup. Okay. I mean, for NAS, and then looking at 30 minutes, it was supposed to be weak fill, but we didn't catch the weak fill on time. The same thing with 1 hour. It was supposed to be a weak fill, but we did not catch it on time. And guys, do you know the good news? The good news I have for you is that previous 4 hours high has been broken. So there on NAS, all right. So there is this very big tendency for price to keep pushing up. Like there is very high tendency for price to keep pushing up. Can I show you something? Look at what happened here. Can you see what happened here? The moment this guy broke above the previous 4 hours, did you see? It wasted time. Even this came, even our stop loss can be hit, but then looking at this current candle, you can see that it's something with this some similar characteristics of this candle, right? So it makes sense to assume that price will just give us a very nice stroke. I'm expecting just after this, I don't know how many hours this is going to last, but I'm not closing this trade. I want a very just one stroke, even if it's as big as this, then it makes sense. I believe you have opened this position with quarter risk, because this is not the kind of position you want to open with full risk, okay? Because there are a lot of some uncertainties surrounding these positions, okay? Euro USD don't need to. I hope can I get yes or no? Did anyone open Euro USD position? Did anyone open Euro USD position? Did anyone open it? Why is it that anytime a chart tries to break support or resistance, it pulls back and change immediately? Huh. My dear Ephraim 67, it is actually called manipulation, okay? It's called market manipulation. It's called manipulation, okay? It's quite difficult to comprehend. That is why it makes sense to wait for a breakout and confirmation. It makes sense to confirm a breakout and confirmation, okay? So for me, I got into this position because I feel, I should give it a trial, because uh this is the impact of news, and after news impact, price normally corrects the whole panic. It gets corrected, right? So I had a feeling, I have a feeling that perhaps price make is about to correct this whole news panic, okay? So that is why I got in. Normally I don't get into positions like this. If you trade with me, you know that I don't get into positions this way, but today is an exception. I just want to see whether my instinct is telling me the right thing or not, okay? So I just wish nobody got into this position. So this position, if you got into this position, you should be at a break even now, so you cancel it. So this position never happened, okay? If you got into Euro USD, you should be at a break even now, cancel the position. It never happened, okay? That being said, let's stick with NAS and see what happens with NAS. So my dear Ephraim, it is called manipulation, okay? Liquidity gathering. Look at this. It was about to break out, right? Suddenly it turns. That's liquidity, guys. So for those of us that actually somehow has stop loss below this candle, okay? You bought you bought maybe here, seeing this you bought here, and seeing this you bought here without waiting for confirmation, right? And then you are hoping that price doesn't cross below here. Suddenly it crosses, right? It stops you out, uses your money to gather liquidity, and is pushing up, right? And as this, there's another one. For those of us that must have sold Oh, it's confirmed without waiting for 1 hour confirmation. Yes, we have 1 hour confirmation below here, right? That's 1 hour confirmation. Yes, fantastic. But then you saw what we did. We got in and out, right? But you got in and you want the candle to move 1 billion pips before you get the hell out. All right, look at it. This is what happens, right? You get in and get out, get in and get out. That's the only way to win. You don't get in and leave it. All these things I'm telling you right now. Oh, price is going to move until here. I'm not going to wait. You saw me, you saw my take profit. It was here, all right? It was here. My take profit was somewhere here or even below, I think below us or wherever. But I didn't wait. I have to shut down and go home, right? So once I see price somewhere here, I may even shut down and go. So you don't have to wait for price to finish to get to your target. Just be smart. That's what I've got to say, Mr. Ephraim 67. Okay. All right. Where are my YouTube guys? My YouTube people. Everywhere is so quiet today, guys. Did I commit any offense? Did I eat anybody's foul? Why is YouTube very quiet today? Can someone tell me what's going on? DP, Lisa, where is Simeon? I can't see Simeon today. And KJ was online. Suddenly he disappeared. Knowledge builders, you took your money and ran away. Oh, sorry, you asked a question. Is there anywhere I can get the your playbook on app or Telegram? Yes, my dear. My Telegram group is actually PPP Drahams as well. Join my Telegram group and then request for that app. Just log into any comments, any of the posts, comment, share your trading view, share your playbook. I'm gonna get the message. I said that a lot. I get the message directly. Okay. Once I get the message, I'm gonna share that with you. It's nothing. It's free. It's free for everybody. It is absolutely free for everybody. But please do not sell it. Do not sell it. Do not sell it. If you sell it, I will know. If you sell it, I will know. That's a tough question, my dear. The question says, you think NAS will break 12900 resistance? Um, um, um. Let's go to my yesterday's post and see. There could be an answer to that question in my post. Let's read. Buying mostly today is also confirmed by my week fair play. Join my live session to access my 90% win rate playbook. Okay, that's not involved. Let's start all over. Buying mostly today is also confirmed by my week fair play, but traders must not expect price to move aggressively to 129.00. Rather, focus on the closest resistance level. Okay, so let's see. What was the question? 129.00. Now, yesterday, price was somewhere here, and I advised everyone to focus on the closest resistance level. And that was actually where? What was that? What was that level again? Closest resistance level was 126.67. Oh, Euro USD, you make my heart break. So this is it. 126.67, 126.67, somewhere around here. Yeah, that's it. So somewhere around here. So I finished my trade here. Whatever happens here is no longer my business, right? But because if I excuse me, if I hope on getting this 129.00, right? Perhaps I would have lost the trade. So this kind of move happens once in a while, if you know what I mean. It happens just once in a while. It happens once in a while. And for this wave, do I say wave? For this trend, it has happened twice. Look at this and look at this. This happened midnight on because of what's FOMC. This happened, And this happened for no reason, just for no reason, just to insult traders, to tell traders that we are shit, we are a piece of shit. Okay? So that is why this happened. Okay? Now, if you leverage on this and start trading this method, believe me, it may never happen again. So it makes sense if you look out on the chart, look for things that happen often. You hardly see that move happen. You hardly see it happen, right? So why would you bank on it? That's by the way. So I never saw that coming though. So let's go back to what the question Mr. DP asked. Mr. DP asked, is price going to break above 1900, 12900? Let's go to daily. Looking at daily time frame, Mr. DP, can you clearly see yesterday closed bullish? Today came all the way down to give us a steeper wick. If you've been following me, DP, I know your name. You've been following me for some time. You know the theory of steeper wick, right? So what do you expect to happen now? Personally, I'm expecting a flip to happen. And using this, my knowledge so far, this is flip happening, right? After this flip happened, did you see what happened? I believe you can see. So if a flip happens here, price will definitely stop at the next resistance. A flip happened here. This is the next resistance. Did you see how price stopped here? Because this is technically the next point. So if this candle flips and breaks above here, the next point is going to be 134.99. But it may not happen completely today. It may, happen halfway, excuse me, halfway today, and then some sort of retracement, and then tomorrow is going to form a steeper wick and then push up. But this is a short level. Can you see? This is too clean. Guys, it's too clean not to be broken. It's too clean not to be broken. Okay? It's too clean not to be broken. And do not forget, there is what I call mirror, right? This has happened here. So I expect a mirror to happen. Something similar. That is a sell and a buy. A buy, sorry, and a sell because it happened here. A buy and a sell, right? The question now is how is it going to happen? In which form is it going to take? It's something I don't know, but definitely we need to see price here at least. If it doesn't happen today, it's going to happen on Monday. Okay. So today, NAS is going to break 129, but the question is when? It could be today, it could be next week. Let's find out. Okay. DP, did I answer your question, sir? Was I able to address your question, sir? Okay, Ephraim said something again 2 minutes ago. He said, this is my first time joining your live stream and I'm loving it. How often do you do live session? My dear, I stream every blessed day. I stream every day, my dear. But I'm focused mostly on YouTube. But I upgraded my network recently to 500 Mbps, meaning that I can now stream to YouTube and a lot of other sites at the same time from just one software. Meaning this software is going to carry a lot of traffic, some to YouTube, some to Tradingview, some to Twitter, some to Twitch, some to Instagram, some to TikTok, some to what is it called? Whatever, Facebook, right? So I have enough bandwidth now to stream across all the platforms. Okay. So I hope to see you every day. I'm going to be streaming every day on TradingView, but every day the timing is what 8:45 EST Eastern time. Okay. So convert that to your local time and find out what time is it and join me every day. Just in case, for your notice, at 8:45, if you don't see me on TradingView, please come over to YouTube and see if I'm there. Okay. Definitely, I'm going to be There. Oh, guys, can you see our Euro USD? Can you see our Euro USD? It is doing pretty fine. It is doing nice. Just nice. See that? Today I'm drunk with peeps, guys. I'm drunk today with peeps. I'm drunk with peeps. Is anyone drunk like me with peeps? DP, am I answering your question right? Can you see that move you are waiting for? I have a very strong feeling that this is going to be broken and the price, the movement is going to be so scary. I have that move. I have that feeling. So let's see how it happens. So who is on NAS trade? Is anyone on NAS trade? NAS, NAS, NAS. Is anyone on NAS trade? Please indicate if you're on NAS trade, okay? So what I don't understand is why Euro USD keeps trying to prove me wrong. Okay, it keeps trying to make me feel bad. And when I close my positions and just ignore it, then it moves. I'm saying this because I would have caught this position, this move, I would have caught it completely. Why? When I saw this candle pop up without a bottom wick, I knew this was going to happen. So I set some positions around here. Yeah, I think two positions around here. The moment it got triggered, I put my take profit above 25.95 because this there's no bottom wick here, right? So I was hoping that price is going to go down. I saw this candle and I saw this candle, it was taking a lot of time, and I like volume. I like to trade when there's volume, right? So the moment this candle was forming, making up and down, making waves up and down, I just closed it. I don't have the time. The next time I opened Euro USD, it was here. I felt bad, and then the news came out, it dropped. Well, what to do, guys? So Ephraim, if you are so loving my streaming, I hope you can get this playbook. It's gonna help you a lot. Just join my Telegram and request, okay? Drop a message. Join my Telegram and just drop a message, okay? Once you drop a message, by dropping a message, just get into one of the daily updates. You're gonna see today's daily update. Go there, open the comments and say, hi, share your playbook. And you're going to get it in 2 minutes. Okay. Once you are able to digest this, you are done. I mean, you're going to become successful in trading. Okay. Okay, guys, can you see technically in Euro USD, I have 10 pips. Woo! So I'm breaking even, moving my stop loss to break even, and I'm closing 50%. So 10 pips banked. Did you guys see what I just said? 10 pips, what? Banked. Sorry if I'm laughing directly into the mic, but it's funny. Sorry, I'm just closing some positions. Nice. So 10 pips banked. So let's see how that's go. US, come on, come on. What is your name? NAS? Just go up. The hell are you doing, man? You okay? Come on, man. Keep going up. Don't come down, okay? Don't look for my trophy because I'm gonna break your head. Come on, come on. Move up, move up. Okay, let's record some things. Let's record some things, guys. Now, this is where I don't like. Recording this takes a lot of time. That is why I prefer to take one trade in a day, then go home and take others at home and record it the way I do. Okay, I think I have my DP friend talking about some things here. DP, what are you talking about, DP? I think it's going to play here until next 1 hour. Maybe, yes, maybe. I also see a daily bearish trend with this being second touch on NAS. Let's see what my good friend is talking about. Come, don't just go and touch my entry. Just go up. Um, my dear DP, I hope you understood every single thing I said, okay? Looking at what Daily has played today, Daily has actually gotten all the way down. It has given us some sort of steeper week. That's the way I do my judgment, right? So it has given us steeper week. So it makes sense to believe that trade, this candle is gonna reverse and push up. Can you see this? We expect price to mirror this. Okay, I want price to mirror this for me. If it doesn't finish today, it's fair, but let it start. Let the process begin. If it begins the process, I could close my position somewhere here. Tomorrow we continue, right? Tomorrow we continue. Whatever thing we see, we take it. Okay. So I don't know. Like I said yesterday, if you joined my live stream yesterday, you're gonna hear what I said. I don't trade with traditional reasoning. Everybody's reasoning the same way. I try to reason, unfortunately, differently so that I can at least make money. But sometimes if I reason and think the same way everybody thinks, then I'm gonna lose money like every other person. So I try to think separately, differently, so that I don't lose money. Even if I'm gonna lose knowing fully well that I did it differently. I did it different from the traditional way. Okay. So Euro USD is pretty much causing confusion. Now I know this setup. See this setup? I'm gonna completely close my trade because I know that setup. If Euro USD wants to go up, let it go, man. I don't care anymore. Let me just not risk my money here. Oh, I think I've broken even. So I broke even already, so I have nothing to lose. I know this setup. This is just gonna come out the way down and then push up again. All this story telling time. Okay, let's see what time we have called the trade so we can fill up our. We took the trade on 15 minutes time frame and we use quarter risk and then we close initials, partials at 10 pips and final. What is as final? Oh, it seems that final we push up. Okay, even NAS is showing some good signs. What I don't want to happen is similar thing that happened here. My trade hit take profit sooner than expected, and price moved up. That was not fair because I saw the move. I saw it first. Kidding. Okay. Euro USD basically is still open. Let's see if we're going to get more than 10 pips. And for now, let's just impute the records and then set it right when trade happens. Okay. And apologies for not giving you guys my points the usual way. I normally spoon feed my followers. Actually, I give them the points, like make it very clear for them. And sometimes I have to call it for them, like 1, 2, 8, 6, 8, 3. Kidding. All right, guys, let's just fill up NAS and see. When did we call NAS trade? Let's see. Let's see. Guys, you can believe, just before we continue, you believe with me, you can, understand the fact that we made a very big mistake right here. The moment this candle, 1 hour candle, has broken above the previous 1 hour candle and almost broke above the other 1 hour candle, the one hour candle before the previous 1 hour candle, then formed this week, right? When this week formed, this pop here was fair for us. It was healthy for us to open a position above the open of this candle, right? If we open the position above the open of this candle, 100% sure I would have closed 30 pips, 50% at 30 pips, and then additional 25% at 62 pips. And what I'm going to have running now is just 25%. That's it. I mean, that's it. That's it. Right. But then I think I failed to do this. I did not do this. So that is why I missed the opportunity. But it's all good. It's all good. It's all good. What I'm going to do, I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. Let me just impute the trade parameters, then we can continue doing whatever thing we want to do. Just one moment. I'm just trying to fetch the point, entry point. Okay, this is it here. 37, 59, 52. Okay, so this is going to be 0, 59, 52. And today's date, and is our uncle NAS. We are going long. What actually prompted it was it weak fill? Let's see. Let's find out again. Yeah, weak fill. That is actually weak fill. Yeah, 15 minutes. No, I think we got in on 15 minutes. This is actually force. This is forces right here. Forces at play here. So let's. Is it, guys? How did we get in? The break of this. Then I called a trade at the break. Yeah, that's forces. So forces, and it is bullish force in 15 minutes. And of course, this. So let's hope that this becomes a win so that at least NAS can be improved here. NAS is seriously degraded. NAS is seriously degraded and is very, very unhealthy for NAS. So far, 15 minutes has given us 100%. 30 minutes is the poor performing very bad. 30 minutes is performing very bad. Let's see. But then I'm never going to give in to 15 minutes because this is just one off, one off trade. I'm not expecting that to occur again. Let's see. Euro USD is doing pretty fine. But guys, I tell you, Euro USD may do some magic. Let me show you what Euro USD is going to do next. Unfortunately, I have a feeling it's going to do that because it does it every time with pound USD. Yes, that's it. Guys, can you see this? I don't know. Whenever I look for something, I just see it because I have seen it happen a lot of times. This is what I think EURUSD is going to do next, right? EURUSD is going to move up so much with full force, but not without doing this. Not without doing this. What is it going to do? It's good. This trade is going to just close above, and you think that you are winning, and suddenly you're going to see another candle open, pushing all the way down, hitting your stop loss and even your reserve stop loss. It's going to hit everything. Then it's going to turn and go, still go in your direction. The moment I saw this, I knew this was going to happen. Watch out and see. This is going to happen. Observe it closely. It's going to happen, I'm sure. It's going to manipulate people here and boom, disappear. This is going to happen, I'm sure. This is going to happen. This is what I'm waiting for. Do not forget, after a news move, it gets corrected. So this will happen because this was prompted by news. So for another volume to come in, people have to be liquidated. So it's going to liquidate people and still push up to correct the news movement. Okay. Oh, NAS is balling. Guys, can you see NAS is about to ball? It's about to ball, right? If it were me before, me and my trading style before, what I would have done is to set, buy stop here, stop loss here, and then for trade to keep going. By the way, guys, I don't care anymore whether NAS is going up or it's going down. I don't give a damn. If this is up to 30 pips, I'm just going to close partials. Yes, so this is up to 30 pips, guys. So I'm just going to close partials, move my stop loss to break even. It is very important that while saying whatever shit we're saying, keep gathering profits. Okay, it doesn't matter if after you close, price pushes all the way to 20,000 pips, 1 billion pips. It does not matter. What matters is that for the day, you've made your profit 5 pips, and tomorrow, whatever thing you did today to make that profit, you can be able to do it again. It doesn't make sense that you made 20,000 pips in one day and you are never able to do that, take that step again. You are never able to repeat the same thing again. So why do you make 20,000 pips? You're not here to make money one day and lose for 20 years and then make another one and lose for 30 years. No, you're here to make money consistently, right? So take the small profit you have and get the hell out. If price moves 2,000 pips, it's okay. Next day you come, whatever you did yesterday that gave you 5 pips, do it again. Make 5 pips every single day for 1 month. Then come back to me and tell me that you're not profitable. Then we'll find out the reason. Yes, yes. So let me close some of my positions and move others to break even because obviously price is moving our direction. Believe me when I say this, price is moving our direction for sure. Okay, price is moving our direction. It's going to move, just that it requires a little bit of delay. Just needs to shake off some people, some people of little faith. Just need to check them off so that they run away. If they run away, then they will just give we smart ones some good profits. My Euro USD is doing pretty fine. It's doing just fine and as expected. Can see it's about to hit my take profit, guys. And my take profit it is actually 23 pips. So what else are you looking for in one day? Are you looking for candle to blow from here to here before you know that you made profits? No, man. So I closed 30 pips. So it's a win again today, guys. We have not finalized. See another win. So you can see NAS is improving a little bit. Out of a total of 10 positions. No, 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 no. 8 positions taken in NAS. On NAS, 5 is profitable, 3 ended with loss. And we have a total of 67 pips. On NAS and German index 70 pips and Euro USD. Oh my god, what a shame. 10 pips. Euro USD, what are you doing? Guys, price is about to hit my take profits, but I'm not waiting for take profits anymore. So now we have, oh, can you just give me 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, give me 20, just 20, 20, touch 20, please, touch 20. I'm okay with 20 pips. Oh, come on, don't do that. Go. I think there's a market manipulator following me here. Anytime I want price to go up, he manipulates it. Hmm. I just want just 20 pips, man. Can you do that for me? Do it for me, darling. Anyway, even if it goes back to my entry, I've hit break even already, so there's nothing to worry about. So, guys, I don't know. Perhaps we can call it a day. How many pips is this? I'm keen on improving Euro USD. 15 pips against, okay, 16. Push up, up. I just want 20, and I'm going to end the stream. 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. Guys, do not get me wrong. Price is still gonna push, okay? I'm just ending because I need to go. So I'm gonna, yes, 17. Enough, I'm done. 17. I'm done. I just closed all my positions. 17. That's for Euro USD and NAS. How many do we have? Oh, come on, don't do this, man. Don't insult me this way. Okay, so this ended with 17. 17 pips total, which is actually already a win. So NAS, I'm just gonna leave NAS. If it hits my break even, is okay. I don't know whether you guys can see. I believe you guys cannot see because actually I'm streaming from Tradingview. So sorry. I can actually do that. Let me show you guys. Let me unlock something and show you guys something. Okay, screen two, share. Okay, now this is NAS. I've broken even. You can see clearly I've broken even. So I'm at break even now on NAS. So even if price goes back and hit my entry, I don't care anymore because I've locked my profits. I'm not going to lose anything. I'm not going to lose anything, nothing. So that in this way now, I've closed Euro USD in profits. Uh, NAS, I will have already closed 30 pips in profits. So if the break even, I'm going to check later if I'm going to check whether we are at break even or we earn something better. Okay, so if I see that we've got something better, then I'm going to update these numbers here for you guys to see tomorrow. Okay, so I wish everyone all the best. Thanks for joining today. Really, I appreciate you guys are all group of superstars, and I wish you guys millions and billions. Okay, see you guys tomorrow. Much love from me, Kingsley. My name is Kingsley, just in case you don't